this instructional video, we will demonstrate the process of accessing and reviewing chat history on the Instagram platform. To begin, launch the Instagram application and proceed to tap the profile icon situated in the lower right-hand corner of the interface. Subsequently, navigate to the menu icon, represented by 3 horizontal lines, located in the upper right-hand corner, and tap on it. Within the Settings and Activity section, select the option labeled Your Activity. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click the Download Your Information option. Next, tap on the Download or Transfer Information button. On the subsequent screen, specify the Instagram account for which you wish to download information and tap on Next. Subsequently, tap on some of your information on the next page. Scroll down and select Messages, then tap on Next. Ensure that Download to Device is selected on the subsequent page, and tap on Next once more. Specify your desired date range and click on Create Files. Please be advised that the file creation process may require approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Upon completion of the file creation process, you will be able to download the file. By following these steps, you can successfully access and review your chat history on Instagram. Should you find this video informative and beneficial, kindly consider subscribing to our channel to receive updates on future tutorials.